So for practice Java in Ubuntu, first open your terminal and from here you need to type sudo apt update, hit enter, provide your super user password, hit enter. After that you need to type, okay, you just loading all the repositories, so just wait for a few seconds. Alright, now type sudo, you need to type just Java, let's say. Now you just need to copy this command sudo apt install default JRE or JDK, paste this command and in the last just type JDK, hit enter, hit Y and hit enter. It will install the latest version of OpenJDK 11 on your system, which is primarily stable version till now, right? So we just wait for a few seconds until it's completed. Now you just need to open your any types of browser. Are you opening Google Chrome? After opening Google Chrome, just open this google.com website. Now from here type Sublime Text, because we use Sublime Text for Java practice or Java development purpose. Okay, you can use any types of ID whatever you want. Now click on this see what's new button. Now click on this download Sublime Text 4. If it shows Sublime Text 5 or 3, you can also download, nothing problem will be. Now click on this direct downloads and now click on this 64bit.def file. I have already downloaded this file, so I just cancel it. Okay, now as you can see our Java is almost completed, near about 67%. So we will install the Sublime Text from here. So for that we just open a new window from here and let's zoom it. Okay, now go to downloads directory and if I enter ls-l, so you just see this file is here, Sublime Text build. So we need to just provide the executable permission to this file. So we just write this thing, hit enter, provide your super user password, hit enter, and if I type ls-l, you just see this software get the executable permission. Now for installing this software, just type sudo dpkg-i and then the file name, hit tab, hit enter, and within couple of seconds you can see Sublime Text is installed. If I search here for, let's say, Sublime, so you just see Sublime Text is here, click on it. So you can see Sublime Text just got opened from here. So we can also add into this favorites or remove from favorites. Now as you can see Java got installed. If I type here, let's say Java -- version, so as you can see Java got installed and you just see these types of message. If you type, let's say, Java C, so you can also see these types of messages are coming. So it's mean Java is successfully installed in our system. Now what we do, we first create a program for Java here. So we just create a simple program, let's say test Java folder. After that just open this folder using this Sublime Text software. You can use any types of editor as you want. Okay, so we just opening this software. From here you need to just create a new file, save this file first, and name is, let's say, myfile.java, hit enter. So as you can see file has been created. So we need to create a class, so the class will be myfile. Now create main method. After that you need to create a simple Java program, so we write a simple Java program here. So we just type system.out.print and we print the message just C is plus C. So as you can see, we just write a simple Java program. You just see. Now click on this save button for saving this file, and for compiling this file you just need to open this folder and you just need to click on open in terminal. Now from here we will first zoom this terminal. Okay, now you need to just type java and then the file name, which is myfile.java. myfile.java, hit enter. So as you can see, the output is C is 30 here, right? You can create many more files as you want in this way, right? It's depend upon yourself. Thank you for watching.